So this is Bsugar. How are you? So today we're going to talk about, let's wash these brushes. Look, we're going to talk about the brushes. Okay. I've seen a good bit of videos on how to wash your brushes and everything. I've seen one with the dishwashing liquid and vinegar, the detergent and water, the alcohol and the detergent. So, well, let me tell you. I tried one out of the three. The one I tried was the vinegar and the dishwashing liquid. Ladies, when I tell you, I had the biggest, and if you can imagine, a rash on your face. It works. It sucks the products out, of your brushes while you're soaking them. You pour it out, but dipping it back in there and washing it, my brushes, after I rinse them and everything, they more or less they smell like vinegar. And I was like, well, okay, well, maybe the scent will go away. In the process of me using it, with my products on my face, you know, a rash came on my face, which caused me to go to the doctor. But I'm going to say people personal preferences are their preferences in the way they want to wash their brushes. I just look at it now like vinegar is used for one thing. Detergent is for your dishes. Okay. Dishwashing liquid is for your dishes. Detergent is for your clothes. So vinegar and detergent, alcohol and vinegar and dishwashing liquid, alcohol and dishwashing liquid, and detergent and water. Those things, they have names for a purpose. For me, I take and I use the Dove body wash, the sensitive skin. It seems to work for my brushes and everything. Dove has been around a long time. It hasn't affected my face because I was washing my brushes and I was like, wait, let me save some. And carrying on, you just like put a little bit in your hand because I took, and I saved, three. Because I'm always washing my brushes. I wash my brushes every week. At the end of every week, I'm up and washing them. But, you put a little bit of the Dove in your hand, the body wash and stuff. I usually wet my brushes and everything, and roll it through your hands. See, the makeup's gonna come off. Make sure you wash it really clean. Just wash, wash, wash. Roll it around, roll it around, roll it around, roll it around, ladies. And I do mean like rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Don't mind me, dolls. Sometimes I can be comical and carry on. So, you're taking, you rinsed it out really thoroughly. Then, I set it on a towel to dry. This one, might be able to see, put a little bit more. It doesn't take that long. It takes me about a good 5, 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes, about 2 to 3 minutes to wash my brushes. And so see this one's dirty. You can see, see the makeup. It's going to come off. You just keep rolling it around in your hand. The brush, after you get the soap on it, the water's clear. That means your brush is clean. All your product is out. You want to really make sure it's clean. You want product taking up on your brush. There we go. Just look. Okay. Because here is another one. I just taken, like I said, put a little dab. Use the body wash. I'm not saying you could just use any body wash, but I would prefer the Dove because, like I said, Dove has been around a long time. They've improved it all kind of ways. See, the product is just coming out. Just keep rolling it. Rinse your hand. You can see as it turns white, you'll know your product is out. Rinse it. If you think you need some more, put it. But it's coming off clean. Like I said, rinse them really, really well. Fan them out. to make sure you don't see anymore. Come back its color. Sit it on a towel. And as for the sponges, I also like, you want to wash these every week as well, because you want to put a dirty sponge on your face, you know. This right here, I usually use the Dove soap as well. But this right here, this is from a product called Soap Saves Lives, a company. I use this as well, but usually I use a Dove. You want to put your sponge under there, let the water soak in. You know, you can see it gets a little bigger, and wash. Stick it in a soap. Just wash it. It's going to come off. I don't have that much in this one, but it comes off. You can see where the my base, my foundation is coming off of the sponge. You want to squeeze it. You can see if it's still in there because it's brown. Just squeeze and keep washing. Because I feel to believe the soaps, because they have a dip, you can wash the sponges, you know, a little better. Sponge blenders, you can wash them a little better. Just keep doing that. Doesn't really take all day. A little pressure, and look, the water's coming clear. So when it's clear and there's no more soap or anything, you know, your beauty blender is clean. The makeup's off. Oh, nope, not right there. A little bit of left. A little bit of color. Look at that. Clean, and voila. Okay, ladies. So, I mean, it's up to you to try whichever one that works for you. But this is just, you know, my personal preference. I've tried to prevent a rash on, you know, someone else's face, because of course you could go to the doctor. That costs you money, and it did cost me money. So, happy washing. Thanks for watching. Bye.